Hello friends, earlier in the last video we had created a simple project, Tetra Maven project, which is the Maven project, and we had discussed the box login feature, and now we will discuss the create folder feature. In the pom.xml we have added all the dependencies required in this project. We have added all the Cucumber dependencies and also the Selenium dependencies. Let us now go through the create folder process in the Box app. Here I will log in with my username. So now I have come to the dashboard page. I will click new and then folder. Here I will put the name of a new folder. I will put it as ABCD1234 and click on create to create it. You can see that folder has been created. If you will click on the folder name, it will go just inside that folder. But your purpose is not to go inside the folder, but to select the row and then to delete it by clicking the trash button. When you will click the trash, the confirmation pop-up will come up and it will ask for OK or cancel. Click OK and the row will get deleted. And then at last we will just log out from the Box app. So this was it. Now the create delete folder which I have written, I will show you. This is the create folder scenario. I have created it as a scenario outline, but in this we have only one user declared in the examples table. So now let's go through it. Given I want to navigate to Box website, then page with title Box login should open. When user clicks user name and click on next button, then user should be able to enter password, and user clicks on login button. Then page with title all files powered by Box should open. Till here we have already discussed in the Box login scenario. So we are not discussing it again. From here, when click on the new button, select this tab and just press F3 on your keyboard. You will navigate to create folder steps.java file where this step has been implemented. This step has been mapped to click new method. But before clicking the new options menu button, I have waited for the create bar buttons to be present on the screen by using the attribute to be method of expected conditions. This method creates the locator of the web element and its another attribute and its attribute value. Then by using the visibility of element located of expected condition class, I have located the new drop down menu drop down in the Box app, and after that I have used click method of WebDriver to click on it. Then I clicked on new folder link which is present in the new menu by using the visibility of element located method, and then a create folder pop-up should get open. This step has been mapped to verify folder pop-up method. I have taken the CSS selector of web element and to be present after the create folder pop-up has opened, and this element has a title create a new folder. I have verified whether this element is displayed or not, but and then printing it with the same message. And now please take a look here that in this step I have made use of a data table. In Cucumber there are two kinds of table. One is examples table and other is data table. With examples table, the whole scenario gets repeated for the number of rows mentioned, and in the data table the step is get repeated for the number of rows mentioned here. But in this data table there is only one row, so this step will get repeated only once. So going to this step by pressing F3, first I have located the folder name element where the folder name will be written by using CSS selector, and then I have taken the data table as list for all the names written in the feature file. And now after iterating that list, we can send the keys to the folder name element with the name mentioned in the feature file. And then I clicked on create folder button by locating it dynamically on the screen to create a new folder. So when I select the newly created folder row, so here what I have done is that I have waited for the row to be present on the screen uh, dynamically before clicking that row. So after that I have selected the row which I have to delete it by using X path. Then I have selected that row by using the click method of the WebDriver, and after selecting the row I click on trash link, and this is by using CSS selector I have located the trash link and clicked on it. Then confirm pop-up should get displayed. I have verified this with the web element and in the confirm pop-up, and found out that web element by using CSS selector. So after the confirm pop-up is verified, I click on OK button to delete that row. So this is it. After the row has been deleted, I have just simply logged out from the Box app by clicking on the logout button. Yes, this was the create folder scenario, and in the test runner we have defined both scenarios, login and also the create folder within the tags. So both of these scenarios will get executed, but now we will run through pom file for the purpose of running through Maven. The Maven pom file searches for the test runner within the tests directory. So I will just select run as and then select Maven test, which is MVN test. So it is verifying and starting the Maven, and now the Firefox browser has started. It will log in with the user 1, and now it will log out, and now it will log in with the user 2, and it will again log out. And now the create folder scenario, it will log in with the first user, and now it will create a new folder. Actually, you can see that it has clicked on the new button, but the new button has not opened this time. So there was a fault in our execution. So let's do it again.